Hello everyone! I have pride in growing my own basil and doing my own pesto. So add a bunch of clean and dried basil and around half a cup of walnuts and 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, around 100 grams of parmesan shredded cheese, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. If you then don't have pine nuts, use walnuts. It's around the same taste. Blend them well together and enjoy this homemade pesto, which is very delicious. You can eat it directly or store it in a jar in the fridge for around 1 month. If you want to store it for a longer time, put it in the freezer. See you next week with a new recipe.